Okay, now we will configure customer installment payment terms. So the T code OVB8, T code OVB8. So now we will configure main terms of payment, that is JKCI, and three subterms of payments. One is for 15 days, 30 days, 45 days. Okay. So the path is financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, business transactions, outgoing invoices or credit memos, maintain terms of payment, new entries. In that first one, JKCI, JKCI, JKCI. So what is this is for main terms of payment. JK customer installment payment terms. So default baseline date, document date. Okay. It is a installment payment terms. So this is main one. That's why we are not giving any number of days. Save. Next, we will create subterms of payments. The first one, JK15. Next item, JK15. So JK15 is the JK15 days terms of JK15 days payment terms. So default baseline date, document date. Okay. So this is for 15 days. 15 days. Save. Next for 30 days. 30 days payment terms, JK30. Next entry, JK30. So for 30 days payment terms, default baseline date, document date for 30 days. Okay. Save. Data was saved. Next. Next up, subterms of payment for 45 days. Next entry, JK45. So for 45 days payment terms, default for baseline date, document date. So number of days, 45 days. Okay. Save. Okay. So up to now we have created maintain terms of payment. Next, define terms of payment for installment payment terms. We code OBB9. So here defined payment terms for installment payments means we are assigning sub terms of payments to the main terms of payment. Okay. So the path is same. Define terms of payment for installment payments. Okay. So T code OBB9. So the main installment payment term is JKCI. Sub payment terms JK15, JK30, JK45. Okay. New entries. The main installment payment term JKCI. Okay. JK JKCI. So first installment, how much percentage we will receive? 30%. So payment term JK15. Okay. So for 15 days. Next main JKCI second installment. Second installment for receive 30% of the amount. So JK 30. So 30 days. Next main installment JKCI Third, third installment, the main terms of payment JKCI. Third installment, so remaining 40% of the amount JK45. Okay, have you understood? In main terms of payment, the first installment 30% of the amount for 15 days. Second installment 30% of the amount for 30 days. Third installment 40% of the amount 45 days due date. Okay, save. Okay, so simply we are assigned sub payment terms to the main terms of payment. Okay, so this is the defined terms of payment for installment payment terms OBB9. Next, testing customer invoice, testing customer installment payment terms. Okay, so in testing, first we need to create one customer master. Okay, customer master with installment payment terms JKCI. Okay, BP organization. So what is customer role? FLCU00 customer role. So it's a domestic business. So we will enter name as Ajit Private Limited. Ajit Private Limited. Search term. So address Amirpet. Postal code Hyderabad, India, Telangana, English. So extend to our company code. So JK10. Enter. Reconciliation account. Domestic customer. Sort key 031. Payment transactions. So what is our payment transaction? JKCI. Okay. JKCI. JKCI. Enter. Save. So business partner whole like 41,009 created. So this is the customer number. Okay. In testing, customer master created. Next, customer invoice. We need to post invoice in FB70. We will take a new screen. FB70. So who is our customer? 53215. Customer number, invoice date, today date. So amount we can take as 1 lakh. So reference customer install. Okay, installment method. Next, so GL account we will take as commission received. So commission received 3,20,000. So it's income. So how much amount? 1 lakh. Okay. So it's income. That's why we need to give profit center. JK100 profit center. Enter. Enter. Simulate. Enter. So this is the entry. Okay. So 3 installments. One is for 30,000. Another one is for 30,000. Third installment for 40,000. So total credit amount 1 lakh. Okay. Now will we go for simulate general ledger. Enter. So this is the entry. Credit with commission received. How much? 1 lakh. Okay. Next, second line item. Domestic customer 30,000 rupees. Next, third line item. Debit domestic customer 30,000. Next, fourth line item. Domestic customer 40,000. Okay. So profit center assigned to all line items. There is no error. Post the document. Enter. Okay, document was posted. Document was posted. So now BP customer master created, customer invoice posted. Now we will check customer line item report FBL5N. We will take new screen FBL5N. So who is our customer? 53215. So 53215. So he is our customer. Run. Select our layout. So first installment 30,000. Second installment 30,000. Fourth installment 40,000. So, so this is the document date, today date. So what is the payment date? First installment 25th March. Second installment 9th April. Third installment 24th April. Okay. This is the payment dates. So these are not due yet. Okay. So our configuration successfully working. Okay. Up to now testing completed.